Hi, my name's Stephanie. I just recently underwent a massive renovation, and I just want to tell you a little bit about what we did. So we needed to move quick. Our house became really too small. We have a small business that has rapidly grown and we needed more space. The house we bought was unfunctional, completely outdated, but with our busy schedules, there's absolutely no way we could have undergone such a massive renovation on our own, and that's where Cresmark came into play. I interviewed, so I didn't know where to start actually. I interviewed quite a few contractors, and after speaking with Nick, there was just something about him actually that he caught my trust right away, and I knew that he was going to actually do the best he possibly could. And really, it was right on the money. Nick really went above and beyond to make sure that my vision and my dream came to light. And it's evident. I kept saying to him, I just couldn't believe how the AI image actually came to life in my kitchen. One thing actually which I was really amazed by, because just hearing so many horror stories with other friends going through construction, Cresmark 100% stayed on budget. So Lisa really made a budget that was realistic. She actually even reined me in from overspending, which was fantastic, also unheard of for a contractor to do. And that really impressed me, and that was just yet another thing that helped me develop a huge sense of trust with the Cresmark team. The transformation of this home is unrecognizable. When we first came into this house for more space, it was just essentially a house. Cresmark has taken all of our dreams and brought them to light, and now this truly is a home for myself and my family. My favorite part of the space, 100%, is the kitchen. I was extremely meticulous about what I wanted in this kitchen, and I cannot believe that they nailed every single aspect of what I wanted, and they put it in. It is incredible. It is a space where all of us can gather, all of us can meet, I can entertain, I can work. It's just really everything I've ever hoped it to be, in reality. I love it. One of the great things about working with the Cresmark team is that Nick and Lisa are with you every step of the way. Any concern I had, any question I had, I would direct it to them, and right away they would communicate with all the tradespeople, and anything was corrected or added right away. And that really for me was a sense of relief, and it just made the project that much easier, which was incredible for me. Really, actually, if I knew that it was going to be this easy, then I wish we did do this like 3 years ago, because we did need the space. We were working on top of each other. I mean, the kids had no space. There was nowhere for us to hang out. Nobody really ever wanted to be in our house because it was just uncomfortable. So I do wish, knowing how easy the process was with Cresmark, that we did do this like at least 3 or 4 years ago. Without any hesitation, I would recommend using Cresmark for any project of this scope and size, or even larger. Their communication, their timelines were met, and the budget was on track. Really, they're the full package. Thanks, Cresmark.